Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to refund on Hostinger. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, you'll want to log in to your hPanel account. Once you're in, find the help or chat icon. You'll typically spot this on the bottom right or sometimes the top right of the screen, depending on the current design layout. This icon is your gateway to customer support, which will set you on the path to initiating a refund. After clicking the icon, a chatbot will usually appear to assist with your query. Here, you'll want to type a specific message for clarity. Enter. I don't see a refund button on my invoice. I'd like to request a refund manually under the 30-day guarantee. This message is crucial because it specifies what you're looking to accomplish and references the 30-day money-back guarantee if applicable to your situation. Now, if the chatbot begins the conversation using an AI bot, often referred to as Codee, your next move is to ensure you're speaking with a human representative for more accurate assistance. Simply type, "I want to talk to a human" in the chat box. This request helps redirect the chat to a real person in the support team who can provide personalized assistance that a chatbot might not be equipped to handle. Once you've established contact with a human agent, they will take it from there, reviewing your refund request. It's worth noting that having a valid reason aligned with policy guidelines, and as mentioned earlier, being within that 30-day period will increase the chances of a successful refund. If there are any specific conditions or exceptions, the agent will clarify those for you. And there you have it. So that is how you can refund on Hostinger. So that's all for this video. Thanks.